Can I use a tire repair kit on run-flat tires? Have you ever wondered if a tire repair kit can save the day when you have run-flat tires? This is a great question, especially for new teen drivers who are just getting familiar with car ownership. Let's break it down so you know what to do if you ever find yourself in this situation. Run-flat tires are designed with strong sidewalls that allow you to keep driving even after a puncture. Typically, you can drive up to 50 miles at a reduced speed. This means you do not need to stop immediately to fix the tire. However, using a standard tire repair kit on run-flat tires is not usually a good idea. Why is that? First, many run-flat tires have foam inserts or thick sidewalls. These features help support the tire when it loses air. If you use a tire sealant, it might get absorbed by the foam instead of sealing the puncture. This makes the sealant ineffective and could leave you stranded. Also, tire repair kits with sealants are mainly meant for traditional tires with small punctures. Using sealant on run-flat tires can interfere with their built-in safety features. This means that instead of helping, it could actually make things worse. If you find yourself with a punctured run-flat tire, the best thing to do is to relying on its design. Drive safely to a repair shop instead of trying to fix it yourself. Remember, the tire is built to let you reach a service center without immediate repair. For teen drivers, it is important to know how to handle run-flat tires. Here are some tips. First, understand how to drive on a run-flat tire after a puncture. Second, have a plan to get professional tire service quickly. Third, consider carrying a tire pressure monitoring system to alert you if the pressure gets low. Finally, a portable air compressor or mobility kit recommended by the tire manufacturer may be more suitable for run-flat tires than sealants. In summary, tire repair kits with sealants are not the best solution for run-flat tires. It is safer to use the tire's built-in features to get to a repair shop. Always check your vehicle's manual and follow the tire manufacturer's recommendations for the best emergency options related to your specific tires. This way, you can drive with confidence and be prepared for any situation on the road.